When it comes to deck watchkeeping, staying alert and focused is your top priority. The ocean can be unpredictable, and distractions can lead to serious mistakes. Make it a habit to scan the horizon regularly and keep an eye on your instruments. A good watchkeeper knows that even a moment of inattention can have consequences. Following orders and procedures is crucial. Every vessel has its own set of protocols, and as the officer of the watch, it's your responsibility to adhere to them. This means understanding the ship's safety management system and knowing what to do in various situations. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask. It's better to clarify than to assume. Clear communication is another essential aspect of watchkeeping. Whether you're relaying information to your crew or receiving updates from them, clarity is key. Use standard maritime communication protocols and avoid jargon that might confuse others. Remember, effective communication can prevent misunderstandings that could lead to dangerous situations. Logging everything is not just a formality, it's a critical part of your duties. Keep detailed records of your watch, including weather conditions, vessel movements, and any unusual occurrences. This log serves as a vital reference for future watches and can be invaluable in case of incidents. It's also a legal requirement, so don't skip this step. Verifying information is something that can't be overlooked. Whether it's confirming the position of another vessel or checking the status of your equipment, always double-check. Relying on a single source of information can lead to errors. Use multiple tools and resources to ensure that what you're seeing is accurate. Watchkeeping mistakes can happen to anyone, but learning to avoid them is part of your growth as a mariner. Common pitfalls include failing to maintain a proper lookout, neglecting to update your log, or not communicating effectively with your crew. Recognizing these mistakes is the first step in preventing them. Life at sea comes with its own set of safety tips. Always wear your personal flotation device when on deck, especially in rough weather. Familiarize yourself with emergency procedures and know the location of safety equipment. Regular drills can help keep everyone prepared for emergencies. By following these deck watchkeeping do's and don'ts, you not only ensure your safety, but also the safety of your crew and vessel. Remember, being a watchkeeper is a responsibility that requires diligence, attention to detail, and a commitment to safety.